Hello, welcome to a video from Teaching Tactics with Mr. Gamal. In this video, we're going to talk about the writing process. This video is prepared and presented by me, Gamal Hassan Ibrahim. First of all, the definition of the word process is some things or some steps that must be done in order to achieve a particular result. So the writing process consists of 5 main stages that must be done in order to come up with a good piece of writing. The steps are pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and the final step is publishing. We're gonna talk about every single step of these in details after the intro, so don't go away. The first step in the writing process is pre-writing, and as you can see here, it consists of the prefix pre, that means before, and then writing. So pre-writing means before writing. And also we can call the first step the planning step. This is the planning phase. Writers brainstorm ideas, choose a topic, also identify their purpose and audience, conduct research if needed, and outline their main points and structure. So in this first step, which is before writing, all what you can do as a writer is to come up with ideas and also choose your topic and the purpose, whether to inform, to entertain, or to persuade. And also you can just target a specific audience. And also if you need some research to get some information about the topic you're going to write about, and also you can just decide the specific structure of your piece of writing. By the way, it is very highly recommended to use a graphic organizer in this stage. The second step is drafting. In this stage, writers begin to put their ideas into sentences, and drafting also we can call it free writing. In this second step, drafting, you're going to write freely without considering grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, or structure, syntax. You can ignore everything, and all what is needed is to write fluently. So in this stage, writers begin to put their ideas into sentences and paragraphs. The focus is on getting ideas down on paper without worrying too much about grammar or style, and this is what we call the free writing stage. The third is revising, because when you write freely, fluently, for sure your piece of writing would be full of mistakes or would have some mistakes, and in this stage you will just correct some mistakes. Revising. This phase involves reviewing the draft to improve content and structure. Writers make changes to clarify their ideas, reorganize sections, rearrange words or sentences. Also, you can add examples and details to just enhance your claim. And also, you can connect ideas using suitable connecting words, because it is very important for your piece of writing to have some connecting words to just connect the ideas to each other. Writers may add or remove information to strengthen their argument or narrative. So also after drafting or the free writing stage, in the revising stage you may add some information or remove or replace and so on, and this is the third step. The fourth step, editing. Here writers focus on correcting grammar, punctuation, spelling, and syntax errors. This step ensures the writing is clear and free of mistakes. So before publishing and sharing your piece of writing, you must make sure that is free of any errors or mistakes. The final step is publishing. The final step is sharing the completed work with an audience. This could be through printing, posting online, or submitting for review for a teacher, for example. The conclusion. These stages are often recursive, meaning writers might return to earlier stages to refine their work. So you can just improve your piece of writing. You can go through these steps from the beginning to the end many times to improve your piece of writing before sharing it with the audience. Following these steps helps create well-structured and polished piece of writing. The end. Thanks, Gamal Hassan Ibrahim. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to share our content and follow for more educational videos. See you soon in another video. Goodbye.